doing a little soldering. You don't want to go too crazy with it. You want to first put the borax on. And usually you want to take your fire pick, and a lot of times you'll find little pieces of gold on the table. And so what you want to do is this. First of all, you want to heat up your torch, get your flame going, get it kind of big, and heat up your ring a little bit. And then you want to turn it down, because that's too hot to solder. Sorry to fart. And now you want to take your pick and find a little piece of gold on the table. And that looks like a pretty nice piece. And you want to heat up your stuff because it's been a couple seconds. And this is a pretty thin ring, so what I like to do is I'll actually heat up the tool and wait for it to get red hot and put the little piece of gold right over the solder joint right there. You see how it's on there now? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Like
the little dot.
little dot.
Yep.
Little drop.
And so now I even turn it down even more so I can get the real precise flame. And I like to heat up the sides again, boom, 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 just so it'll all be heated. And then that's when we start the solder. Boom. That's it.
That's so cool.
You got yourself a ring, love.
Yay, thank you.